This is a 3-mark question that appeared in 2018 CBSE Class 10 board paper. This question is alternative 2 of 2 alternatives presented for this question. Both these alternatives were coordinate geometry question. This question, the concept tested is area of triangles. If ABCD are the vertices of a quadrilateral, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. We've been given the coordinates of all 4 vertices. How are we going to go about it? We're going to draw a diagonal AC. Once we draw a diagonal AC, it's going to divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles, ABC and ADC. We're going to find out area of triangle ABC. We're going to find out area of triangle ADC. Sum up these two to find out the area of quadrilateral ABCD. What is the formula for the first step, finding out the area of triangle ABC? The coordinates of ABC are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. The area of the triangle is given by this formula. This part of the calculation exercise a lot of caution, right? There's a place where you can easily go wrong. This formula, remembering it is one part. Having remembered the formula, substituting it right and getting the answer right is very, very crucial. So go about it slowly, go about it meticulously. In fact, I would go to the extent of saying, mark what is x1, y1, what is x2, y2, and what is x3, y3. Getting it right is very, very important. Conceptually a very easy question, but a question where you can go wrong in quite a few places, especially in calculation. Let's go over it slowly. So this is half into, what is x1 for us? x1 is a minus 5. What is y2 minus y3? y2 is a minus 5. y3 is a minus 6. So minus of minus will make it as a plus. So minus 5 plus 6 is what we have. So done the first part. Plus x2, the value of x2 is equal to minus 4 into, we have y3 minus y1. y3 is a minus 6, y1 is a 7, so minus 6 minus 7. So this part is also done. Lastly, we have x3. The value of x3 is equal to minus 1 into y1 minus y2. y1 is a 7, y2 is equal to minus 5. So it becomes minus of minus will make it as plus 5. So let's solve these and get the answer. So this is equal to half into minus 5 plus 6 is a plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 5 will be a minus 5. Minus 6 minus 7 is a minus 13 into minus 4 is a plus 52. Minus 1, 7 plus 5 is a 12. Minus 1 into 12 is a minus 12. So the answer is going to be equal to half into 52 minus 12 is a 40 minus 5 is a 35. Half into 35 is equal to 17.5. So step 1, finding out the area of triangle ABC. Its area is equal to 17.5 square units. Quickly summarize it in a printed form. These are the coordinates of ABC. We have substituted it in this formula. So this is what we are left with. Minus 5 into 1 is a minus 5. Minus 4 into minus 13 is a plus 52. Minus 1 into 12 is a minus 12. So 52 minus 12, 40 minus 5, 35 into half, which is equal to 17.5 square units. So part 1 is done. Part 2, let's go about it the same systematic in a slow manner and get to the answer. Area of triangle ADC, coordinates of ACD are these. Again, let's mark x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Substitute in this formula, area is equal to half into x1. The value of x1 is a minus 5 into y2 minus y3. y2 is a minus 6, y3 is a 5. So y2 minus y3 is a minus 6 minus 5. Part 2 is x2. The value of x2 is a minus 1 into y3 minus y1. y3 is a 5. y1 is a 7. So 5 minus 7 is what we have. Lastly, plus x3. The value of x3 is equal to 4 into y1 minus y2. y1 is a 7. y2 is a minus 6. So minus of minus will make it as plus 6. So let's solve this part of it, which is half into minus 6 minus 5 is a minus 11 into minus 5, which is equal to plus 55. 5 minus 7 is a minus 2 into minus 1, which is equal to plus 2. 7 plus 6 is a 13. 13 into 4 is equal to a 52. So we have 52 plus 2, 54 plus 55, which is equal to 109. Half into 109 is the area of triangle ADC. This works out to 54.5 square units. Quickly summarize this part of the calculation also in a printed form. So basically plugged in the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 in this formula to end up with something like this. Minus 5 into minus 11, which is a plus 55. Minus 1 into minus 2, which is a plus 2. 7 minus of minus 6 is a plus 13 into 4, which is equal to 52. These terms add up to 109 by 2, which is equal to 54.5. Area of triangle ABC, we computed it in two slides back as 17.5. Area of triangle ADC is equal to 54.5. Adding these two, we get area of the quadrilateral to be equal to 72 square units. So question conceptually is not very difficult, but it's very meticulous. It takes quite a bit of time, but do it carefully if you have chosen to go ahead with this alternative of the questions.
Supercharge your math quotient. Sign up today for online CBSE math classes at online.maxtute.com. I'll repeat it, it's online.maxtute.com. And before you leave, check out the related videos and remember to subscribe to this channel.